So subtracting of polynomials. So what do? We write the terms in the first parenthesis as it is. So you're going to have 3x cubed minus 4. Now, because we have a minus here, the signs inside the brackets will change. So whatever was positive will become negative, and whatever was negative will become positive. Why? Because we have positive 2 here. A positive multiplied by a negative will become a negative. And then a negative multiplied by a negative will become a positive. That's how we're going to have negative 2x squared plus 3. Okay, so the signs will change. This was a positive, it changed to a negative. This was a negative, it changed to a positive. Then from here, we take like terms. This and this is like terms. So we're going to have 3x cubed, take away 2x cubed, minus 4, add 3. 3 minus 2 equals to x cubed. Negative 4 plus 3 is going to be minus 1, and this is our answer. So in the next question, we take the terms in the first parenthesis as they are. So we're going to write down negative 10 a to the power of 5 plus 3a plus 2a to the power of 2. Now, because we have a minus here, whatever is positive will become negative, and whatever was negative will become positive. And in this case, we have all of them. All the terms in this bracket are negative. So negative times negative is going to be positive 10. Negative times negative is going to be positive 4a to the power of 5. Negative times negative is going to be positive 10 to the power a to the power of 2. So then we take like terms. Negative 10 to the power of 5, a to the power of 5, and 4a to the power of 5 are like terms. So we're going to have 10 a to the power of 5 plus 4 a to the power of 5. This and that are like terms. So we're going to have positive 2a to the power of 2 plus 10 a to the power of 2. And then 3a has got no partners, so we just add it there. Okay. And also 10. We just add it here. So what are we going to have? Negative 10 plus 4. This is going to be 6, negative 6a to the power of 5. 2 plus 10 is going to be positive 12a to the power of 2. Add 3a, add 10, and this is our answer. So we write the terms in the first bracket the way they are. So we're going to have 6b to the power of 3, add 4b to the power of 2. Now, negative times negative, it becomes positive 3b cubed, and then negative and positive, negative multiplied by positive, it becomes negative 2b squared. So then this and that are like terms. So we're going to have 6b cubed plus 3b cubed minus 4, no, add. So 4b squared and negative 2b squared are like terms. So we write them like that. So what we're going to have, 9b cubed plus 2b squared. That's our answer. So we write everything in the first parenthesis as they are. So we're going to have the 6 plus 12x to the power of 3 minus 8x to the power of 4. Then everything in this bracket is negative, right? And we have a negative outside here. So whatever is inside the bracket, the sign will change. So negative, negative, it will become positive for x to the power of 3. Negative and negative will become positive. So negative and negative will become positive 4x to the power of 4. Negative and negative will become positive 2. So let's collect like terms. 6 and 2 are like terms. So 6 plus 2 plus 12 and negative, no, 12 and 4x cubed. So 12x cubed plus 4x cubed. And then we have negative 8x to the power of 4 and 4x to the power of 4 are like terms. So you're going to have x to the power of 4 plus 4x to the power of 4. But we're going to have here, we're going to have 8 plus 12 plus 4 is 16, x to the power of 3. Negative 8 plus 4 is going to be negative 4x to the power of 4. And that's our answer.